Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to import custom fonts in Photopea. If you're ready, as a first step, click on Type tool in the menu on the left. You can also use the Type tool by pressing the T key. Next, with the Type tool selected, create a text layer by left-clicking. Then, click the character icon on the right. Click on the font section. And then click the Load Font button. Now, select the font folder or file you want to import into Photopea and click the Open button. As you can see, we received a message indicating that the font was successfully loaded. Now you can use the custom font style you imported when creating text in Photopea. If this guide video was helpful, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.